Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking with the ignition off and setting wipers to service position if your Corolla supports it. Once done, lift the wiper arm slowly and hold the blade so the spring doesn't snap it back and crack the windshield. Make sure you have the Michelin replacement of the correct length. Toyota often lists both driver and passenger sizes. You're preventing damage and making the swap safe. Now move to release the old blade using the connector method specific to your arm. You'll now focus on the connection. Most Corollas use a J-hook or a clip. Press the release tab or slide the locking piece while pulling the blade down and away. For J-hooks, rotate the blade 90 degrees and unhook it. Take a close look at the arm tip for rust, bends, or a weak spring because those will shorten blade life. Once the old blade is off, align the new Michelin adapter with the arm, following the package insert. Make sure the locking sound or click confirms it's seated. You finish by snapping the new Michelin blade onto the arm until you hear a firm click, then lower the arm gently back to the glass to avoid impact. Next, start the car and run the wipers at low then high speed while observing for streaks, skipping, or chattering. Those signs mean seating issues or a damaged arm. If problems persist, lift and reseat the blade, clean the windshield and blade edge. And if noise continues, consider replacing the wiper arm spring or swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.